Alright. I just did that stump and it took 0 time. Whoop. Too much on the stabilizer. So I'm thinking, is this one going to be the same? And that took 15 minutes to do that stump. That stump came out in 10 seconds. I'm not sure, maybe I'm just getting better at it. And some of you may be asking, why am I putting the dirt back in the same hole? I'm not trying to dig a hole. I'm mumbling. I'm not trying to dig a hole, I'm trying to break roots. So that's why I'm putting dirt back in the same hole. Oh, the cylinder leak. I gotta get that fixed. I was distracted for a second. Ooh, I heard it pop there. Heard it pop there. Loose. She's so loose. That's out. How about that? Sure I got all of that. I've made that mistake before. You think you got it, but you don't, and then you gotta figure out how to get it the rest of the way after you put the machine away. And that's no way to be living. Dirt back in. I gotta be able to leave. I just realized that as I'm digging holes as I'm going down. Maybe I can punch it all the way through on the bottom. I don't know. Anything's possible. I mean, I'm not gonna be stuck. Inconvenienced, I guess, would be one way to describe it. Alright, what do we got left? There's one right there. I think I'm gonna try to turn around, maybe hit that from a different direction. That one there, and then there's the big one down there. Let's see what we can do. Board with nails in it. Oh man, I don't want to drive over that. I want to get turned around and go uphill, so. Ew, that's nasty. That might be nasty too. Let's move the chainsaw so I don't run it over. You'd think, nah, you wouldn't run that over. All right, I think I can come down here and turn around. Let's get this all the way out of the way. All right. Let's get this figured out here. Doing 6 minutes. Let's make this happen. Get some of this brush out of here. That should be good enough. Oh, can't do that. Get that stick out of here. Root there. Got a good one. Oh yeah. That should come out now. I want a little more digging. I feel like giving it a little wiggle. See if anybody's home. Oh yeah. this is interesting. This is part of the tree right here. If I can get him. Well, we got one root. One root of the root. Can I get the other one? Abused. All right. Where are we at? Oh, that's a good video. All right, kids. Stay safe.